Yeah.
You just have a laptop with a small laptop with the wireless modem from AT&T or Verizon, and there you run your business just like you in the office. So we call virtual office.
Okay.
So this solution also not just a virtual office, but also it's a paperless system. You don't have to print a lot of hard copy and carry it with you. Wherever you are, you have your laptop. That's your file cabinet. You just open it up and everything is there in front of you.
And that's a very green environmental
Definitely.
benefit.
Yeah, thank you for bringing that up, because we believe this technology is environmental friendly.
Yeah.
So you save a lot of trees, and not just that, but you also can run your business at home. Let's say you can have your 25% of your workforce work at home. Let's say most of your sales personnel can operate business at home, or your accountant or your administrative people can run your business at home, and each day you can rotate 25% of your workforce, and then you save a lot of energy, gas, and also don't have to print out paper to travel with you or carry with you. So
and that's also employee friendly too. So if you've got mothers who need to be home with the kids when they're sick, or if you've got a telecommuter that commutes really far, it saves them a lot of headache and stress. So that's wonderful. That's a good feature of yours using your services.
Yes.
When new technology or new I guess issues or when you update your programs, is it a charge for KK's business to receive that upgraded software?
No, that's what the beauty of this what we call software as a service. You just pay for the service.
Okay.
So let's say every time you change the phone with the AT&T, you don't have to upgrade software. AT&T take care of that. All of the software that you store, your email, your messaging, all of those things done by AT&T, you don't have to worry. Same here is BScaler. We take care of all of that. All you have to do is just pay monthly subscription. Again, no upfront investment for the user.
Yeah.
And this cloud computing has been around for years, but only available to big giant companies like the Sun Microsystem, the Cisco, the Dell, Amazon. So they do have a multi-million-dollar to implement this type of solution and have a huge IT organization to manage it around the clock. So the small business cannot afford this type of technology, but with BScaler, we not just bring this technology down to the small business, but we also help them to run their business. And there's no way that a small business can afford this type of thing. But the reason we do this is we take a multi-million-dollar implementation solution, we spread it out to, we share it with thousands of customers, so that we bring the cost down.
Yeah, I'd say so. Can I also get my emails using your system?
Yes, we provide your email to you that wherever you travel, you can use the system to email. Number one. Number two is we also connect directly to your Outlook. Just in case people use a lot of Outlook, we just open your Outlooks right in front of in your browser.
Yeah, because I have 600 contacts in my Outlook. It's like, oh.
Yeah, so we do provide connect directly to Outlook, and all you need is just the browser. Whether you using IE or you using Firefox, we support most of the popular browser, so you can run business just like that. So it's not like some other software company, they offer something called remote desktop or PC anywhere. Those are old technology.
Is it really?
Yes. BScaler bring the technology that all you need is a browser. Whether you have a Mac computer, or you have a PC, you have a laptop, you have a cell phone, as long as you have the browser, we help you to run business and manage your business.
That's wonderful. Now, if I use part of my emails through your system, what about viruses? Is there some kind of safety net there?
There's no virus in our system. We using the latest technology called Java. Java is one of the software that we use to design our product. but also we don't run our business or our business application on Windows. So there's no Windows running in our server, zero. So either Linux or Solaris.
Okay.
And the only thing that you run, the only thing we need from you is a browser. The browser could be on your laptop, it can be on your Linux desktop, and that's all you need. So those, of course, you have to run your virus scan because that's your personal equipment. All we need is to borrow your browser to deliver the information to you.
Okay, but say someone sends me an email and has a virus in it, will your system protect that email virus away from my other files?
No, that will not impact our server. So that your email stay on your laptop.
Okay, good. That's good. Now, because you're so well versed with what small businesses and medium-sized businesses have to go through, could you tell our viewers what are the most challenging problems or issues that you see small businesses and medium-sized businesses have to find solutions for?
Yeah. So as of today, as you know, most of us run small 5, 10 to 25 or $50 million organization. There is no way that we're going to have multi-million dollar to spend. So we can't bring this type of technology into your premise. So that's why you forced to operate your business with multiple software applications with the huge IT staff on board to manage those applications and server. So that's the most challenge. Let's say one of the bad employees leaving the company, and they decide to delete the file. They decide to copy the data with them. So you have no way of preventing that. So that's the most challenge. And then you have so many applications to manage within the organization. And not just that, but also the data is not shareable because they don't share throughout the organization. Each group have their own set of data and they have their own IT to manage. So with BScaler, the data enter once and the data will be available throughout the organization. Right there, we can save the administrative and IT costs at least 50%, and this data is centralized. You run your business virtual office, from a virtual office. You don't have to be in the office. So that's the benefit, and that's to replace all of their little applications within the organization.
That's great. Now, say for example, KK's company did go with BScaler, and I hired 2 more people. Or I've changed how we do some kind of administrative paperwork or whatever. How easily or how adaptable is BScaler to my changes? Is it easy to make changes within my organization that I can use in BScaler, or is it more of a challenging situation?
With this technology, we do offer service. We call service on demand. So when you hire a new person, you just let us know and we just add more new users to your system.
Easy.
So very easy, and not just that, but each time when you make change to your inventory system, you make change into certain area in your business, so we will help you to make change, or you go into the application administration and modify it yourself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So when you are talking with a new customer, do you actually do some kind of consultation to find out what they do so you know what to offer?
Yes. BScaler have the team we call, after the customer agree to go on and sign on with our service, we have the deployment team.
Got it.
To interview customer, to work with customer so that we can help them to migrate the data into our system painlessly.
Nice. Because, you know, a lot of people, what they do on a daily basis, they don't think of mentioning it because it's so routine.
Yes.
So at least you have this development team to go in and ask the right questions, so it reminds that customer, oh yeah, we also have QuickBooks, we also do this and do that. Because a lot of people, when you say you offer all of these services, they go, okay.
Yeah, actually sometimes they don't have to migrate all